How to start a return on Nordstrom.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow, a no credentials demo to begin the process so that you can return by mail or get a QR code for in-store picking. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can directly go to the Nordstrom returns page on the website. We can directly search for Nordstrom returns page and click on the first link that appears. Once you find that option, once you open up the website, you can look out for an option called Start a Return directly. It is shown prominently as a button or link on the returns info page. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, we need to enter up our order info. So we can scroll down and we just need to provide in this information. First of all, we can provide in your order number. In this box, go ahead and provide it up. And right below it, we can provide in the zip code or the postal code. After that is done, you can just go over and tap on Start Return. You need to enter it exactly as shown on your order confirmation email or packing slip. And that will let Nordstrom locate your order without having to sign it. After that is done, you can just go over and select the item that you want to return and choose a reason for return from a drop-down menu or options available. You just need to follow up the prompts once you have done so. And then Nordstrom will offer a couple of ways to complete the return. You can just go over and follow out this process. And you can package the item securely and attach the return level and then drop the package at a USPS or FedEx location, and you should be able to return the item that way. And that's it. It's pretty easy if you want to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.